Today I'm going to teach you how to find the average rate of change for the function f of x equals x cubed minus 1, and the interval that is given is 2, 3. So to find the average rate of change, we need to know our x values and our y values. And we're already given our x values, 2 and 3, but we have to find our y values. So to do that, we just have to plug in 2 and 3 into the equation. So first let's plug in 2. f of 2 equals 2 cubed plus 1. And when we solve that, we get 9, which is our first y value. And we're going to do f of 3 to find our next y value and just plug in 3 for x. So f of 3 equals 3 cubed plus 1, which equals 28. So to find the average rate of change, we use the change of y over change of x formula, which is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Many of you may recognize this as the slope formula, which is the same thing. So what we're going to do now is plug in our answers. We have 2 y values and 2 x values. So we're going to do the change of y, 28 minus 9, divided by our change in x, 3 minus 2, which equals 19 divided by 1, which is simplified to just 19. That's our answer. I hope you guys enjoyed learning the average rate of change. And my name is Paul, and I am